glasses around. Mr. Neeson, can you help us out, please?
Have you seen Miss Kent?
No, has anyone seen Miss Kid? No, I haven't seen Miss Kid.
There's two of them will just have to do it.
Oh, I thought it was our assembly today. Where is everyone?
We can't do it by ourselves. Come on, let's go before we get into trouble. Wait, don't go. I can see you're only interested in the exceptionally rare. I think we'd be most rewarded to consider these. Don't be fooled by their ordinary appearance. These are no ordinary lanyards. They once changed the course of a young boy's and young girl's life, helped by some rough diamonds. Perhaps you'd like to hear the tale. Lights, camera, action!
Wearing those lanyards.
My mom keeps forgetting to bring it with her, and I told her how important it was, so now I'm wearing it.
See, my dad just doesn't understand how important is it, so now I'm in charge of it.
How can a lanyard be important? Don't you know? These are super safety magic lanyards. Magic? Don't be ridiculous.
It's true. Don't you know what they can do?
I know it really annoys my mom when she forgets it and Mr. Neeson sends her back to the office to sign. Your mom obviously hasn't discovered the secret yet.
You two are pulling our legs. There's nothing secret or special about a lanyard.
What's going on? You tell us. You summoned us. I assume you need some help. But how can you two help us? I mean, you're just big blue blobs. Whoa, it's people saying unkind things like that and everything that just happened to you that these big blue blobs can help you with. Go stand over there. Let us show you what we can do. sort it out.
I fell down and scraped my knee.
Hello, what's your name? How can I help you today?
I fell down and scraped my knee.
Okay, I'm a trained nurse. I've trained in our local polytechnic for 3 years and I've been working as a nurse for 18 years. So if you're ever injured or not feeling well, you come to see me and I can help you.
Ah, now I know the nurses are always here to help.
Hello, what's your name? How can I help today?
Miss Kid didn't believe me when I had a disagreement with my friends and she said I was being stupid and wouldn't listen to me.
Boys and girls, this should never happen to you in the school. But sometimes, even adults make mistakes. If you feel you haven't been listened to, or if you'd like some more support, you can come and speak to me.
If Mr. Marshall can't help you, come and see me.
Ah, now I know Mr. Marshall and Miss Levain are always here to help me.
Hello, what's your name? How can I help today?
I feel really anxious about coming to school.
I'm really glad you've come to speak to me. We might need to speak to some other adults to sort this problem out.
Hello, how are you? What's your name? How can I help you today?
That's Magic Mr. Moody, our school counselor. He's always here to help.
Hello, what's your name? How can I help today?
That's you, Miss Franco. Miss Singh, she's always here to help you with problems. There's been a problem on the bus. People so noisy and being rude to the bus auntie.
Hello. Thanks for letting me know. I'll speak to Mr. Marshall. I'm sure we can sort it out.
Now I know the bus drivers and aunties are always here to help.
Hello, what's your name? How can I help you today?
We have a problem. She ran into me. It was an accident. You really hurt me and didn't say sorry.
Let's check everyone okay. Accident happened and let's say sorry.
Now I know the TAs are always here to help.
assembly, it's the end of the day nearly, and you haven't talked about ECAs. What do you do if you don't want to go to your ECA and you decide to just get on the bus? Is that being safe at school? Year 5 and 6, I'm talking to you. Remember guys, if you don't want to go to your ECA, you have to do what your teacher has asked you to do. If you're down for an ECA, you go to the ECA. Don't change the plan.
We hope you enjoyed our assembly. There are so many people to help keep you safe in school.
Remember, you can ask any adult and they'll be happy to help. Just don't forget to check that lanyard.